Hi, my name is Christopher White. I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. This is CS50W, Python, and JavaScript web programming. This is our first project, Project Zero, and the details were to design a page that looks and functions the same as Google's search page. As you can see, we have our first home page, which connects to all of our pages, which is an images page and an advanced search page. We'll come back to those in a second. The first page, you can see that we have our logo, which is aligned and with the nav bar or with the input bar, and our two buttons. You can see that when you click on the image, it also just reloads the same page that we're on. You can see when you go in the nav bar, you can type something in. It also has a rounded nav bar or input bar with the icon, the search icon on the side. And when you press Google search, it will take us to the search result for, in this instance, Bitcoin. We'll come back to the I'm feeling lucky link next. The next page is the Google Images page. You can see that the logo, the nav bar, and the button are centered with our links to the additional pages on the side. And the only difference with this page is that when you type in something, it doesn't give you the search results, it gives you the images. You see that in this instance, we have the Bitcoin images come up. The final page is the advanced search page, where the behavior is, I found, is I don't know how they sustain it, but and the actions and the functions are the exact same as the Google Advanced page is. You can see that when we search, these things will search different things. I found that the first one, all these words, seems to function the same as the original Google search in a lot of instances. When I tested it, you can see that we get different results for different things. You search the same thing between exact word or phrase in any of these words. You can see that you see different things sort of come up. The final one is none of these words, which I've found that the functionality is different. You see that I don't want it to include any of those words, but in some cases it does. Just to show you that Google's page, advanced search page, functions in the exact same manner as mine. You saw that it didn't come up with any results there. Well, in this instance, when you search it, it also doesn't come up with any results for Google search. So it functions the same. It seems to get different results at different times according to their pages. I'm not too sure how that works. You can see that our advanced search bar is aligned with the vertically with all four of these input bars, and the bar on hover, it changes the shade of blue a little bit differently, so you know where your link is. The final thing to show you about this page is the I'm feeling lucky button. You can see that in this instance, it wants to take us to, in a lot of cases, the first link of the page, although Google gives us a redirect notice. So and you bypass that, and it will take you to the first page that you're supposed to get. Everything functions the exact same as Google's original search, and as you can see, is designed in the same way with some very minor differences. Anyways, thanks for taking the time to take a look at it. Bye.